Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about stationary state approximation. Steady state approximation MCQs. First one is stationary state approximation, also called option A steady state approximation, option B stable state approximation, option C both A and B, option D none. The correct option is option A steady state approximation. Second, steady state is a method to determine option A rate equation, option B rate law, option C kinetics, and option D all. The correct option is option B rate law. Third, when a reaction has several steps, rate determining step is missing dash formed. Option A interconnection, option B intermediate, option C both, option D none. The correct answer is option B intermediate. Fourth, dash is a species that neither reactant nor product. Option A substrate, option B enzyme, option C intermediate, option D all. The correct answer is option C intermediate. 5. The dash step is the rate determining step. Option A fastest, option B intermediate, option C medium, option D slow. The correct answer is option D slow. 6. Each step in a chemical reaction is called option A elementary step, option B necessary step, option C secondary step, option D all. The correct answer is option A. 7. Steady state approximation deals with the fundamentals that does not change. Option A temperature, option B pressure, option C entropy, and option D all. The correct option is D all. 8. Stationary state approximation deals with the fact that change in dash does not change in the rate of reaction. Option A intermediate, option B rate equation, option C rate constant, option D all. The correct option is A intermediate. 9. Rate law can be written from dash not from equation. Option A intermediate, option B mechanism, option C both, option D all. The correct option is B mechanism. 10. Dash is defined as a function of all coordinates in the space of all species in a reaction. Option A reaction coordinate, option B reaction rate, option B reaction constant. The correct option is A reaction coordinate. 11. Approximation used for elucidating the mechanism of reaction complex. Option A equilibrium approximation, option B steady state approximation, option C both A and B. The correct option is both A and B. 12. Steady state approximation is used to check the dash of rate law. Option A thickness, option B efficiency, option C quality, option D consistency. 13. The basic assumption of steady state approximation is that the rate of change of intermediate is dash. Option A double, option B triple, option C 0, option D 1/2. The correct option is C 0. 14. Which statement is incorrect about two-step reaction? Option A there are two transition states, option B two intermediates, option C both. The correct option is B two intermediates. 15. 2A plus B into C has correct statement. Option A the rate of disappearance of A is twice than B. Option B the rate of disappearance of B is twice than A. Option C both A and B. Option D none. The correct option is option A. 16. Rate constant for decay of radionuclide is option A 89 seconds, option B 90 seconds, option C 0.011 per minute, and option D all. The correct option is option C. 17. For a reaction A plus B into C plus D, option A rate of reaction is equal to Ka, option B rate of reaction is equal to K into concentration of A ka square into concentration B, and option C none. The correct option is A 18, which is the branching step. Option A HBr plus H into H2 plus Br, option B H plus O2 into OH plus O, option C both, option D none. The correct option is B. 19. Elementary bimolecular step is option A 2Br into Br2. Option B, N2O4 into N2 and 2NO2. Option C, neither A nor B. The correct option is option A, 20. Effect of temperature on the reaction is incorrect. Option A, rate depends upon them. Option B, rate does not depend upon them. Option C, E, A, temperature independent. Option D, all the correct option is E, A, temperature independent. 21. Formation of HI from the corresponding element is option A, single step mechanism. Option B, two-step mechanism. Option C, three-step mechanism. The correct option is B, two-step mechanism. 22. A stationary state is option A, special state. Option B, voluntarily state. Option C, radically unlike a classical state. The correct option is option C, 23. Pre-steady state concerned about the dash in the reaction. Option A, products. Option B, intermediates. Option C, reactants. Option D, none. The correct option is C, reactants. 24. The steady state concerned about option A, products. Option B, intermediates. Option C, reactants. Option D, both A and B. The correct answer is both A and B. 25. Enzyme concentration must be lower than the dash concentration to keep first step slower than the second step. Option A, substrate. Option B, enzyme substrate complex. Option D, C, activate. Option D, all. The correct option is option A, substrate. 26. Steady state kinetics provide a simple and rapid method of assessing substrate to option A, enzyme substrate complex. Option B, enzyme. Option C, product. Option D, catalyst. The correct option is option B. 27. In steady state, the capacitor has a voltage across it while no current flow through the option A, circuit. Option B, galvanometer. Option C, voltmeter. And option D, all. The correct option is option A, circuit. 28. The simplest example of steady state is option A, current flow. Option B, electric bulb. Option C, bath tap. Option C, none. The correct option is option C, bath tap. 29. What happens in steady state? Option A, all variable remains same. Option B, just variable changes. Option C, both A and B. Option D, all variable constant in spite of ongoing process. The correct option is option D. 30. What is del E for steady state system? Option A, change in entropy. Option B, change in energy. Option C, change in enthalpy. The correct option is option B, change in energy. 31. In circuit, the resistor and voltage increases until the circuit is at option A, steady state. Option B, stable state. Option C, static state. Option D, all. The correct answer is A, steady state. 32. In many circuits, steady state is achieved in dash time. Option A, immediately. Option B, slowly. Option C, shortly. Option D, no. The correct answer is option C, shortly. 33. Steady state consumption is the dash between output and dissipation. Option A, addition. Option B, difference. Option C, collection. Option D, none. The correct answer is option B, difference. 34. Steady state problems are associated with dash dependent problems that describes the dynamic behavior. Option A, length. Option B, mass. Option C, weight. Option D, time. The correct option is option D, time. 35. Why steady state is important? Option A, to determine the rate law. Option B, for understanding. Option B, to calculate. The correct answer is option A. 36. Why steady state is not in equilibrium? Option A, concentration vary. Option B, concentration constant. Option C, concentration remains same. Option B, all. The correct answer is concentration remains same. 37. Steady state refers to the time where variable of interest dash. Option A, changes. Option B, remain constant. Option C, gradually change. Option C, D, does not change. The correct answer is option D, does not change. 38. Unsteady state when variable dash over time. Option A, changes. Option B, does not change. Option C, remains same. Option D, constant. The correct option is option A. 39. The ability of a power system to regain its original state is called. Option A static state, option B stable state, option C steady state, option D all. The correct answer is steady state. Haldane applied dash method to determine the rate law of enzyme catalyzed reaction. Option A stationary state approximation, option B stable state approximation, option C both. The correct answer is option A. 41. The rate of disappearance is equal to the dash of intermediate. Option A rate of reaction, option B rate of formation, option C energy. The correct answer is option B rate of formation. 42. An assumption of steady state approximation is option A reaction occurs without formation of intermediates, option B catalyst does not accelerate reaction rate, option C equilibrium state is attained at the end of reaction, option D one of the intermediate is consumed quickly as it is generated, and the correct option is option D. 43. Steady state approximation is applicable only in those cases where reaction intermediates are dash. Option A same, option B constant, option B change with time, option D none. The correct option is option B constant. 44. Difference between steady state and steady flow. Option A steady state is time variable, option B steady flow has uniform conditions, option C both A and B, option D none. The correct option is option C. 45. What is another term used for steady? Option A fixed, option B firm, option C immovable, option D all. The correct answer is all. 46. In a reaction 2A plus B into A to B, what happens? Option A concentration of B double and A is half. Option B concentration of A is double and B is half. Option C neither A nor B. Option D all. The correct option is option B. 47. The rate law is determined in steady state approximation, true or false? Option A false, option B true. The correct option is B true. 48. Conversion of ozone involves order of reaction is option A 0, option B first, option C second, option D third. The correct answer is option B first. 49. Rate determining step in steady state approximation is option A slowest step, option B fastest, option C both. The correct option is A slowest step. 50. The negative concentration of N2O5 or dt represents option A rate of formation of N2O5, option B rate of decomposition of N2O5, order of reaction option D none. The correct option is B rate of decomposition of N2. तो ये हमारा आज का टॉपिक MCQ ऑन स्टेडी स्टेट अप्रॉक्सीमेशन या स्टेशनरी स्टेट अप्रॉक्सीमेशन.